Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip S Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zap application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon. Select your Amazfit Bip S Lite from the list of devices. On this page, you should see a couple options like incoming call, app alerts, and if you tap on more, you will have the incoming SMS. First, let's tap on incoming call, and here we can enable and disable the notifications for the calls. So basically, if somebody calls you on your phone, you will receive the notifications on your watch. Your watch will vibrate and it will display the name of the contact. So if you want to enable this, tap on the switch right here, then tap on got it, tap on OK. And if you see this message right here at the top, it means you need to allow some permissions for the notifications to work. So tap on this message, allow the required permissions, basically keep tapping on it to allow the required permissions. Once you get redirected to this page, scroll down, find the Zap application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow do not disturb, tap on allow, and go back to the app. And if the yellow message, warning message is gone, it means that the notifications should work properly. You can also enable and disable the option to show the contact information, and you can enable or disable the alerts or delay for the alerts. So basically, if somebody calls you, you can set the delay for the alert on your watch, so the watch will wait a certain amount of time before it alerts you about this call. Okay, let's go back, tap on the app alerts, and here we can enable the notifications for the apps on your phone. As you can see, we have the warning message, we need to tap on it, tap on OK, it will redirect us to this page, find the Zap application, tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access, go back to the app, and now you can enable the app notifications. You can also enable the option to notify you only when the screen of your phone is turned off. So basically, if this option is enabled and you're using your phone, the screen is turned on, you will receive the notifications on your phone, but they won't be forwarded to your watch. If you disable the option, they will be forwarded to your watch, even though the screen is turned on. And once you're done with the tap part of the menu, you can go down, and here we have the list of applications on your phone, and you can enable and disable the notifications for the specific apps on this list. So for example, let's say I want to receive the notifications from Discord on my watch. You need to find Discord, enable the option, and once you enable it, the notifications from Discord will be forwarded from your phone to your watch. And it works for every app on this list. So customize this to your liking, and once you're done, go back. And next we have the incoming SMS, and here we can enable the notifications for the text messages by tapping on the switch. And once you're done customizing the settings for your notifications, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord because I enabled the notifications for Discord. And as you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can always wake up the screen on it and swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen like this to open the notification menu. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.